Hello, everybody. Welcome to Excel with Chad. Today, we are going to cover introduction to formulas, and we have an example that we can actually play with from our case study here today. So the first thing that you see here is that I have 5 different fruits: apple, oranges, watermelon, papaya, and avocado. And these are the respective prices and the quantities purchased. As you can see here, the number column is unfilled yet. So a normal person, what they would do is they would actually key in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And to complete this table, what they would do is they would normally take a multiplication of price multiplied by quantity. And they would repeat this process, price by quantity, all the way to the last row. Now, after they have done so, they would actually add the totals together. So this is what a normal process of adding one at a time will look like. If you want to add the quantities together, then this will be how it will look like. 3 plus 10 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5. And then, of course, last but not least, you will perform this divide by this to give you your average price. Now, that would be how a normal person who has no experience with Excel formula would do. Now, let me reset this. From this, what an experienced Excel individual will do is they would then hit the equal sign. Instead of keying in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would then put in the sequence, type in sequence of 5. And in this case, what will happen is 1 to 5 will be included automatically. So if I want to add on to number 20, all I need to do is just perform this. But of course, in our example, this is only up to 5. Now, to multiply across quickly, especially across many numbers, what I would do is I would actually use the function of product. As I move the cursor to the left, what I would do is I would hold the shift button down and move the cursor to the left. And from there, then I can close the bracket. So this will give me my product. Now, one function that you will probably find very useful in Excel is when you move your mouse to the bottom right corner of your cell, you will see it turn into a T sign. When it turns into a cross, what you can do is you can click and drag and drop. So what it does is it's actually copy your formula downward fully. Now, to actually perform this, what I would do is I would hit on the equal sign and I would type in sum with an open bracket, and then I would select the relevant cells that I would like to sum. And by doing that, I would be able to find the total amount of price for the fruits. I can also copy to the left, Control C and Control V to find the total quantity of fruits purchased. And to find the average, all I have to do is just to do this. Now, if I do not want to have this extra column, what I can also do is to use the sum product function. By using the sum product function, what happens here is that I am able to select multiple arrays to multiply across and sum it up. So to illustrate to you, what I want to do is I want to multiply all the prices that you see here with all the quantities here. So to multiply across, so what I would do is I would select the first array, which is the price array, and then I would use a comma to separate it, and the next one will be the quantity array. What it is supposed to do is, it is supposed to take 1 multiplied by 3, 1.5 multiplied by 10, 2.5 multiplied by 1, 1.75 multiplied by 2, and 1.25 multiplied by 5. And the sum of the product of this will then be added up together to produce the result over here. So this is exactly the same as the act of multiplying across here and adding it up. Okay, so if I have done so, then all I have to do is just divide by the sum of the quantity to get me the average price. If you like what you have learned here today, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn more so that we can produce more content that fits your requirements. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.